The Air National Guardsman arrested in connection to the massive leak of U.S. military secrets appeared in a Boston courtroom today. ABC's Rena Roy is live with the latest on the investigation. Rena.
Yeah, that's right, Philip. And in the last couple of moments, we're now learning the 21-year-old had a high-level top secret clearance. According to the criminal complaint in this case, that means he had access to highly sensitive information, but only on a need-to-know basis. As you said, he was charged in court in that federal courthouse you see right behind us. He is now facing up to 15 years in prison.
Less than 24 hours after this dramatic arrest, 21-year-old Jack Teixeira facing a federal judge, charged with unauthorized retention and transmission of national defense information and willful retention of classified documents, charges that collectively carry a maximum of 15 years in prison. An FBI SWAT team in full tactical gear swarming his Massachusetts home, Teixeira seen on his deck as agents move in. The low-ranking enlisted airman and IT specialist for the intelligence wing of the Massachusetts Air National Guard, with his hands above his head, then handcuffed, arrested in connection with the massive leak of classified Pentagon documents.
The Justice Department arrested Jack Douglas Teixeira in connection with an investigation into alleged unauthorized removal, retention, and transmission of classified national defense information.
Investigators searching Teixeira's home into the night for evidence, working to determine what may have driven him to allegedly leak hundreds of highly classified documents, causing a global diplomatic fallout. The arrest comes after a teen whose identity was withheld spoke with the Washington Post with permission from his mother, claiming to know the alleged leaker, calling him by the nickname OG instead of identifying the leaker. He says they were part of an invite-only chat group on the social media platform Discord, where last fall OG began posting those documents to impress his friends.
I would not call OG a whistleblower in the slightest. I don't think that there was a goal nor some sort of accomplishment that he was looking for in sharing these documents.
We do have stringent guidelines in place for safeguarding classified and sensitive information. This was a deliberate criminal act, a violation of those guidelines.
And President Biden says while the leak was, of course, very concerning, he says the information was outdated.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel. And download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.